Andrew Neil has fired a brutal dig at French President Emmanuel Macron over his fury at the United Kingdom's coronavirus vaccine success. Andrew Neil told Good Morning Britain that Emmanuel Macron has been acting like Donald Trump and stated that the French president is furious with the UK's vaccination speed compared to their own, especially regarding the British-based AstraZeneca jab. Britain is on track to reach the UK government's target of vaccinating 15 million people by the middle of February. GMB host Piers Morgan said, "It has been very interesting over the last week with this facile situation with the EU where they have clearly gotten everything wrong on their vaccine rollout, certainly in relation to AstraZeneca. I would imagine envious eyes from Europe looking at the UK and thinking why are we not in that position, and has this got something to do with Brexit and the fact the UK is operating on its own?" Mr. Neil, who is based in France, replied. "Among ordinary French people there is almost no talk of Brexit whatsoever. There is almost nothing in the newspapers or the television about it here. It is almost as if it did not happen or it happened and it is history and we have to move. It is different for President Macron and the governing elite in Paris. They have become almost Trumpian, and the kind of things that President Macron has been saying about the AstraZeneca vaccine, things that are just not substantiated by the medicine or by the science. Although they would hate to admit it, they are furious inside that France has still vaccinated a very small proportion of its population compared to Britain. The European Union has been involved in a public dispute with AstraZeneca regarding the number of vaccines they will receive. Last week it was announced that France would follow Germany and Austria's decision to not administer the AstraZeneca vaccine to anyone over the age of 64. The countries stated that this is because there is no enough data on the Oxford vaccine's effectiveness on over 65s. However, Professor Devi Sridhar backed the UK's decision to implement the vaccine across all age groups. Professor Sridhar told Good Morning Britain that the UK government has made the right call. Professor Sridhar said, "I don't think people in the UK have anything to be worried about. This is basically their hesitation of the AstraZeneca trials not including enough participants in those age groups. I think the British government has been correct in saying we need to get these vaccines out there and into people's arms. I think we will see Europe change on that in the next couple of weeks."